4.5 billion years ago, there was no Earth, no oceans, no air, no life. So how did a lifeless cloud of dust turn into the only known planet that can support life? This is the story of how the Earth happened. The story begins about 4.6 billion years ago, inside a massive cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. Gravity pulled this material together, forming the Sun at the center. The remaining dust and rock began to collide, stick together, and grow. Over millions of years, these small pieces became planets. One of them would become Earth. Early Earth was nothing like it is today. It was a molten ball of rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. The surface was covered in lava oceans, and temperatures were extreme. There was no oxygen to breathe and no liquid water on the surface. About 4.5 billion years ago, a mass-sized object, often called Theia, collided with Earth. The impact was catastrophic, but it changed Earth forever. The debris from this collision formed the Moon. The Moon stabilized Earth's tilt and slowed its rotation, conditions crucial for life. As Earth cooled, water began to appear. Some came from inside the planet, released by volcanic activity. Some arrived on icy asteroids and comets. Rain fell for millions of years, filling the basins of the planet and forming the first oceans. In these early oceans, something extraordinary happened. Simple chemical compounds began to organize themselves. By around 3.8 billion years ago, the first life appeared, tiny, single-celled organisms. Life began in the water, likely near deep-sea hydrothermal vents. For over a billion years, life stayed simple. Then some organisms learned to use sunlight to make energy, a process called photosynthesis. They released oxygen as a byproduct. This triggered the Great Oxygenation Event, transforming Earth's atmosphere and allowing complex life to evolve. Over time, Earth developed continents, climates, and ecosystems. Life moved on to land, plants, animals, and eventually humans appeared. Earth became a self-regulating, living planet. Every mountain, ocean, and living thing is part of a story billions of years in the making. From cosmic dust to conscious life. This is how the Earth happened. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more.